Unveiling the past, the power of reviving memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. Phrases that evoke deep emotions and connections. One such phrase is, to revive a memory. It's a beautiful expression that goes beyond mere words, touching the heart and soul. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the meaning and significance of this phrase together. To revive a memory means to bring a past experience or moment back to life in your mind. It's not just about remembering. It's about making that memory feel as vivid and real as if it were happening right now. Imagine smelling a perfume that instantly transports you to a moment from your childhood, or hearing a song that brings back a wave of emotions from a specific time in your life. That's the essence of reviving a memory. Reviving a memory can have a profound emotional impact. It can bring joy, nostalgia, sadness, or even a sense of closure. Memories are not just recollections of the past. They are a part of who we are. By reviving them, we reconnect with our past selves, the people we were with, and the experiences that shaped us. This can be incredibly powerful, providing insights into our emotions, decisions, and relationships. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. You might hear it in conversations, read it in books, or use it in your writing. For example, this photo album has the power to revive so many beautiful memories. Every time I visit my hometown, I revive memories of my childhood. Listening to this music revives memories of my college days. It's a phrase that adds depth and emotional resonance, making it a valuable tool for storytellers, writers, and anyone looking to express the profound impact of memories. We hope this exploration of to revive a memory has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. Memories are treasures of the heart, and reviving them is a way to celebrate and reflect on our life's journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the beauty of English. Until next time, keep reviving those memories and connecting with the stories they tell.